In this Kiire review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to automate your Instagram marketing and turn Instagram into a revenue generating asset. Make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. And I'm going to be showing you how you can get the entire product with all the OTOs at a one-time discounted price. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Kiire, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says first to JVZoo, Instagram approved cloud app, schedule content, automate engagement, and growth followers on Instagram in any niche using AI powered software on the cloud. Easily automate Instagram like a pro, schedule posts, reply to comments, auto direct message, engage, and more while becoming a successful Instagram consultant here. So essentially what that does, it's a white hat Instagram approved software. So you don't have to worry about your Instagram account getting in trouble. It's going to allow you to automate your Instagram marketing all in one place. It says here, great for marketers, coaches, online and offline businesses, YouTubers, affiliates. You can use to promote any website, business, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Walmart store on Instagram. Build a list with it. Use it to get more traffic. Use it to get more sales. Step one, connect your Instagram account. Schedule content out in just a few clicks. Step two, set your desired engagement automation. There are 13 options. And step three, let the app work for you. Now they have proof here from people actually going out there and using this here. Emily able to go out there, says sold thousands of copies off her membership site, making $55,000. This one right here, we're able to go out there and get 800,000 followers on Instagram. Gabby was able to, every day, hundreds of video creators are selling more and more courses to new audiences using Instagram here, and just talking about the power of Instagram here. Now let me go down here and get to the juicy stuff here. Let these sales page get longer and longer, I tell you. Okay, so there's two options on the front end. You can either get the starter or the commercial. Most people get the commercial. The commercial is going to have all the different tools in it here, the commercial license, and it's just going to be a little bit more expensive than this one. Now, I will be showing you a bundle option as well here, so stay tuned for that at the end of this review. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to show you a quick demo video showing you the software. Then I'm going to walk you through the different OTOs and show you what the bundle discount is all about.
Welcome to Kiire. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can use Kiire to grow and automate your Instagram account. Kiire is approved by Instagram team and it is 100% white hat and safe to use. Now, once you log into the dashboard, you will have to connect your Instagram account and then you'll get a bird's eye view of all your account stats on the dashboard. We also have a very extensive help and support section, and you can always reach out to our customer support team if you have questions. The first thing that Kiire helps you do is schedule videos and images on Instagram. So you go into the schedule section. You can either use one of our templates, search and edit from our stock if you have the upgraded version of Kiire, or you can upload your own images from a URL or upload them yourself. Give it a name, your caption, your hashtags. You can choose which Instagram account you want to post it to. You can either post the image immediately or you can schedule it for a specific time based on the time zone. And you can repost that image multiple times. Secondly, you can do the same with videos. Exactly the same process. Upload your video, give it a caption, post now, or schedule it for later. Then Kiire also helps you research Instagram trends and lets you manage multiple categories of hashtags that you can later use in your captions to get more followers, more discoverability. Now, the most important thing Kiire helps you do is automate certain things on Instagram. Kiire will help you automatically send bulk direct messages to your prospect by clicking on the IG bulk messaging feature over here. You can create a new campaign. You can select which account, give it a name, what kind of message you want. You can create a template for it. You can add images. You can add a button. A button could be like this, and you can send a message that looks just like this to multiple prospects and all your followers in just one click. Next Cree also helps you bulk comment reply. So if a lot of people are commenting on your post, you can immediately reply to all those comments. You simply select the account, you pick the post you want, and click on send bulk comment, and it will send a comment that you have written down yourself. Cree also helps you automatically comment and DM people. So if there are people commenting on your Instagram post, Cree will automatically DM them a message that you have created yourself. It will also automatically reply to comments. So if somebody is commenting on your post, a bot will automatically reply. Your account will automatically reply, like, and send a generic reply to all these comments. And you can decide whatever you want. You can type that reply. Now, among all of these, Cree also helps you automate your Instagram stories in a way that if somebody mentions you on their Instagram story, or you are mentioned anywhere on Instagram on an Instagram story, you will get stats about this, and you can automatically start sending them messages, sending them replies. You can do the same with your story replies. If somebody watches your story and they end up replying to you, you can send them an automatic message to their DM using story reply. Now, if you have an upgraded version, you can have access to team members license, where you will be able to create multiple accounts inside your Cree to help your team members do all the automation setup for you. Now, the most important thing is Cree is 100% customizable. All the comments, all the messages, all the automations that you create, you can write your own messages, you can write your comments, and Cree will automatically keep on sending. This is what Cree does. If you have more questions, if you need any help, you can always go into the help section, watch our video tutorials, watch our get started tips, or you can always reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to help you. Cheers.
Okay, so this is the first OTO that you're going to see here. This is the unlimited version of this. You get unlimited everything here, unlimited clients, unlimited scheduling, unlimited bulk messaging, unlimited Instagram accounts, all with one account here. So this one right here, it's a one-time of $97. There's an agency license. You can start your own agency with this one. This one's $57. The next one here, it's a create viral Instagram content with this one here. And this one, I always like to show you guys the prices. 57 for this one. They have a VIP one here. This one is $59. And then they have a white label, so you can actually sell this as your own product. You can customize it, add your own branding, logo, and domain with this one. These ones are usually more expensive. Yeah, this one's $197. So you can go through the entire sales funnel here and purchase the ones that you want. Or they also have a bundle deal, and I'll have a link to that in my video as well. If you look under in the description, you're going to see here, this is the bundle option. It's going to allow you to get everything here. You can get, it's normally $297. You can unlock a $30 discount. You just put your email in here and you get a $30 discount for it. And you get everything in the sales funnel, for including the white label, for a one-time price. So that gives you a big discount on this. If you're thinking about purchasing this, if you're thinking about getting any of the upgrades, you can get everything, not have to worry about even going through a sales funnel, and pick this one up here. So again, all the different OTOs and upgrades are optional. If you want to go for the bundle, you can. Again, I'll have a link for both of these below. It's up to you. So what do I like about Kiire and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, it's a little bit hypey here on the sales page. They talk about selling thousands of dollars of stuff and making all kinds of money. Like just this headline here, like turn Instagram into $1,000 a month generating asset. Just know that this is like anything. It's a tool. It's going to help you with your business. It's not a magic button. Just be aware of that. What do I like about this? I love stuff that Abhi puts out. He has a really good reputation. If you're looking for a tool that's going to help you in your business and help you with your Instagram marketing, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Kiire, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.